assess security.
Red Hill Farm lies alongside the M69. A farmer and his wife were returning home at 10 last night when they saw a body dumped alongside their driveway 50 yards from the road. Police sealed the area and sometime later confirmed that it was the body of the missing diplomat. He'd been killed with 2 shots, one to the head and the other to the body. He'd been lying in the drive for up to 2 hours, but may have been murdered elsewhere and dumped. At daylight, a search began for leads to his killers. Mr. Mahtray was last seen alive as he got off the bus near his home on Friday evening. He was attacked by 3 or 4 men.